Okay, Bass and Anise, their first contact with real farm animals at the Cha'am Sheep Farm. It's actually more like an amusement park. It's not really a farm, I don't think. Anyway, everything's decorated here like super cute and kitschy. Very Asian style kind of cutesy farm. I'm still hoping to get some sheep's cheese, but even if we don't, the kids get to... The sheep here look like goats to me, actually. Right? The shape is more like a goat and the ears are longer. Anisi, do you like it? Daddy's feeding the calf for Sebastian. Farmer Sebastian out feeding the calf. Ah. You like it, Bass?
Wow.
Wow, he's saying wow, like. Lisa's standing far away. Not sure she wants to touch the calf yet. Okay, there's Dad. Dad's got to manage the milk. Oh! Anise is very popular because Daddy's got the milk. So all the calves want to go to Dad. Okay, here's another one.